I wanted to record a quick update as promised yesterday. Firstly, thank you for your response to yesterday's announcements. We are facing an unprecedented situation, but it was so heartwarming to receive so many messages and in particular teachers offering to do what they can to help us fight this crisis together. I gave so many interviews to media yesterday and have more lined up for today, but it's really important to me to also talk to our children and young people. That's why tomorrow I will hold a live press conference just to take questions from the children and young people of Wales. If you have a question that you'd like to ask, then please send them to me before 2 p.m. tomorrow, either as a tweet, a direct message, or just post a video in the comments. More details to follow, but I'm going live from 5:30 p.m. tomorrow and I will try and answer as many questions as I can. Once again, thank you, and please stay safe and stay well, and keep checking gov.wales/coronavirus for the very latest advice and information.